Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Soul Trades. Today is Tuesday, June 9, 2026, and this is the trade of the day, but I lost. So this is the trade recap of the day on which I lost. I married my bias, and yeah, that fucked me up. So in this video today, we're going to learn how marrying your bias is very, very wrong, and everybody knows that, and how I fumbled the bag and I lost. All right. So this is ES daily chart, right? Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we had a massive expansion and we had a little bit of retracement yesterday. So this day today should still be kind of a continuation day one, right? And another, if we go to this thing is a TPO chart, right? As you can see, I marked my single prints right here. So what did yesterday do? Okay, I should have been really, really cautious of this, and I was married longs, so that's why I lost. But what did yesterday do? Yesterday did a pretty good job on telling me why shorts were the bias today, right? You see this massive expansion day? That day is same as this day. Okay, massive expansion day right here. So when I go here, you see this line right here where there's a difference between colored line and a little bit darker ones. That's the value area low. That is the value area low of this session, of this day, right? And this single print is this yellow box right here, right? And as you know, what do we know about single prints? That they are a resistance or they're a continuation. So if we are in bearish mode and price retraces to single print, it should expand lower, okay? That's normally the way we view it. But if it goes, fast towards the upside and then retraces, then that should hold, right? Basic support and resistance thing. Right, but yesterday we went all the way up to this single print inside the value area high, and we kind of rejected yesterday. You see, this is where we closed right here, right? And this was the value area high of yesterday's session. What does that tell us? Yesterday's sessions tells us that okay, we don't want to go inside the fair value of this expansion day, meaning today should be a bearish bias day, right? That should have been my idea. I don't know what I was thinking. I was longs today. I think the thing that tripped me most was this point of control, this white line right here. As you can see, we went below point of control in overnight session right here, right? And we spent little time here and we started building value higher. So in my mind, I was thinking, okay, we rejected point of control. Sellers don't want to trade much lower. So I should target higher, okay? And that was still a fine trade, to be honest. Targeting higher was still a fine trade, but this is how I fumbled. Okay, just give me a second. So let me bring out all of the good stuff here. And let's go to 1 minute time frame. Oh my God, I can't even believe how I fumbled the bag, dog. So this is the trade that I took right here, right? So you see market opens right here. This is 9:30, market opens right here, okay? And we immediately start expanding, okay? Immediately start expanding. Now keep in mind, okay? Our previous day high is at 7476, right? And our volatility trigger right here is at 7481. What did I tell you yesterday? If price is lower compared to the volatility trigger, that would mean institutional participants are in basically a sell mode. That's not exactly how it works, but to simplify it, think of it that way. Above it, buyers are defending. Okay, below it, sellers are defending. Basic idea. All right. So we were below volatility trigger and we were below previous day high. And see overnight session. This is the overnight session right here. Overnight session, we opened somewhere here and we have been expanding and expanding and expanding and expanding, right? Up to where we are expanding? We're expanding till previous day high, and we are expanding to volatility trigger, and we are also expanding till this previous week low volume node right here. If I go to 15-minute time frame, there is 2 low volume nodes right here, and I just combined both of them, right? And down below, we have this larger low volume node. Where is it? If I can see it. If I can go to the daily time frame, right? There's this larger, huge low volume node right here, and I should have been targeting that low volume node right here, right? That's the idea. The market is telling me we are in for shorts right now, but again, I had bullish bias, so. But let's see how I entered. Okay, so all these lows should have been my generated liquidity for me. Okay. Especially when market after open market immediately went out and takes out previously high, and we test volatility trigger, and then we have a snap back like this. You see, this is snap back into fair value, right? Into fair value of overnight session and into fair value of yesterday's New York session, right? But what did I do? Since I was long bias, I ignored all of this. I thought this was a retracement. I don't know why I would think that, but I ignored all the signs. And the sad part is, if I go to this chart now, this is the delta footprint profile, right? Full footprint profile. Market opens at where? 8:30 right here. Oh no, where does market open? Right? Market opens somewhere in here. Market opens right here, right? And immediately we push higher. Actually, let me bring my trading view right here so that it's easier for you guys to visualize, right? So this is trading view chart, right? This is trading view chart right here. Market opens here. Market opens here. We immediately push higher. We immediately push higher, right? And up here, after taking previous day high at 7477 and volatility trigger at 1. Okay. Oh my God, what is that? Also, before that, let's keep one thing in mind. You see this single print? It's at 7478 till 7485, and this other single print is at 7491 till 7499, right? So there are two single print that will hold as a resistance. And once market went all the way up here, right? Let's see. I'll also bring trading view. Come on. Trading view. You see, once we got all the way up here, let's look at the oh my God, why is it going? Once market got all the way up here after open, right? I see up here after taking previous day high and volatile trigger at 81, right? 81 is somewhere down here, 81. You see 81 right here, and we pushed higher. We have trapped buyers up here. We have trapped buyers up here, and then our delta flips from 285 to negative 962. That was this price action right here. 285 to negative 962. And look at the amount of volume. It was 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 15,800. That's an anomaly in the market, right? That's something different. That's not normal. And delta flips like this. Now, this cannot be profit taking because market was already here, right? In previous candle, market was already here, meaning there is huge sellers up here, and they are trying to push the market here with aggressive sellers coming in. I ignored all of that. What was I paying attention to? You see this 7466 right here. He was buying delta right here. This is the delta profile. So on this leg up, right? On this leg up, the most amount of buyers were present in 66, which is right here, this level, right? Which would be the point of control, to be honest. So once market came back down here, right? Back down here at 66, I saw, right? So negative 366 delta, negative 470 delta, negative 11 delta, and right here, negative 170 delta, and then boom, delta flip, right? Delta flip from negative 170 to 81. One thing that I also should have paid attention to was max delta went up to 220, but it closed at 81. That tells me this is not real buyers. But again, since I was long bias, I ignored that. Obviously, I did, and I see some sellers getting trapped right here. So I entered here, targeted high, but oh my God, look at this crap. Look at this dog. Market just went. I don't know where it went. It's oh my God, where is it? Okay, somewhere up here. Okay, it went down again. Oh my God. So it should be somewhere down here. Where the hell is? Okay, market is right here, all the way at 20. So yeah, that's how I fumbled the bag. Don't marry your bias, okay? That's not good. I was only paying attention to, where is it? To this line here, and I thought, okay, buyers are coming, we're going longs. I don't know what I was even targeting. Because my single print, my volatility trigger, and my previous day high was already taken. So that's how I fumbled the bag. Thanks for watching. So in this video, if you learned something, don't marry your damn bias. You'll lose. All right, that's it. Please subscribe. I'll see you in next video. Thank you very much.